Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box door and requires uninstalling the glove box. Remove the 2 screws securing the bottom of the glove box. Remove the glove box door. Reinstall the corner screw that secures the side panel. Remove the 2 inner Phillips head screws. Remove the side panel. Using a 10mm hex nut driver, remove the bolt.
Use an 8mm driver to remove the 2 bolts securing the metal bar. Pull the pushpin out of the side panel and then partially remove the panel.
Remove the corner screw.
Open the center console drawer. Remove the 2 right screws. Ignore the center one that we pointed at. You only need to remove the 2 on the right. Remove the bolts on the other side of the metal bar.
Remove the metal bar. Disengage the sensor wires from their catch. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1071 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the metal bar. Reinstall the bolts on the metal bar.
Reinstall the screws in the middle console. Close the middle console door.
Reinstall the corner screw. Reinstall the side panel.
Reinstall the pushpin.
Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the glove box door. Reinstall the door hinge bolts. Open the glove box. Reinstall the side panel. Reinstall the corner screw that secures the side panel. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.